slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up, guys? iReview Stuff back here once again. And today we're going to be taking a look at the Yeezy 700 V3s in the Azael colorway. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not too sure. I'm sure y'all will let me know in the comment section down below. Not a lot of people know how to pronounce it anyways, so I'm not too worried about it. But anyways, let's get into it, man. These took about a week to get here. If you guys are new to the channel though, and you like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a like on the video, turn on notifications, and last but not least, follow your boy on the gram at StuffTV. It is in the comment section down below, or description, sorry, as always. So make sure you hit that. If you don't like what you see and you don't fuck with UA or rep sneakers, get off the video. It's as easy as that. With all that being said, let's get into it, man. These are from first review from my people over at PoshKicks.com. There's all the information. So the website is PoshKicks.com. Instagram is at PoshKicks88. Email is michelleemily42@gmail.com. And then the WhatsApp is right there as well. If you guys have trouble reading any of that, it is going to be in the description anyways. So check them out for sure. With all that being said, let's get into it. These guys came double boxed. Boxes in perfect condition. Like I said, they took about a week to get here, give or take, to Canada with EMS shipping. So that's that. Now let's take them, throw them to the side, and this is just the box that it comes with. So you get this paper on the inside, obviously just regular Yeezy stuff. We got the 700 on the top. It doesn't say Boost on the side because these aren't not Boost shoes. There's just 700 V3s. So you can see that Yeezy 700 says right there. There's the colorway, so you can say it's Azael. I think it's pronounced Azael. It's the easiest way that I feel it should be pronounced. EPC on the inside, and just the code and the size. So they do only currently go up to size 12. As far as I know, I usually wear 12 or 13. These do fit. I'm going to tell y'all right now, these do fit a little snug, especially getting your foot initially in the shoe. So I would suggest, if you can, go up half a size from your regular size. Of course, I'm not able to do that because 12 is the biggest size and I usually wear 12 or 13, so it might feel a little bit tighter for me, obviously. But I do suggest going up half a size if you guys are able to. Get the Adidas on the bottom, same stuff on this side. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you got like some little stamp right there that says 31 that I saw at the corner of my eye. Pardon me for coughing. I don't know if I'm getting sick, or I don't really know, but yeah, you can see the 3M real shining. Oh man, I'm sorry for the cough, guys. Just had to get it out, okay? Anyways, I digress. Here's the shoe in hand. So you can see the materials. I'm not going to go over too crazy about the details of the shoe. The shoe was already released, I believe, on Yeezy Supply. The retail on this is $200, which is actually a really good retail price. I don't know what they're going for a resale. I feel like it's a lot more than that, probably just because of how cheap they were retail, especially compared to the 700 V1s and V2s. With their retail price at, I believe, 300 or 400, so it's a big downgrade in price, just because obviously it doesn't have any boost on the bottom. That is just EVA, blue EVA on the inside, encased in the insole. So, but here's the shoe, man. I personally found no flaws with it. If you guys see anything that might be off, let me know. But the stitching seems to be on point, materials, all that sort of stuff. So looks good to me, man, not gonna lie. First actual cop from this site, I'm super pleased. So you can see the 3M shining real hard. The only thing that I see is like glue stains, but that's to be expected. That is on retail pairs as well, so it's not a big deal by any means to me. But you got the 3M panels there as well. Overall, the shoe feels really high quality. The midsole feels super sturdy, but it is a little squishable as well, so that's good, of course. You gotta remember, when wearing these shoes, they do not have boost, but if you do get that half size up, or even true size, it might or even like your true size, it might feel fine. It's still a super comfortable shoe nonetheless, even without the boost. So Sorry, I forgot to go over this. That's what it comes with. So you got the little RFID code, or the little tag right here. It says the colorway, size, all that sort of stuff, or the model and the size. We've got a little barcode as well, and then just a regular Yeezy tag that most Yeezys come with. As for the laces, just some regular black rope laces, it looks like. Is that metal aglet? That looks to be, actually. So that's pretty dope, actually, I think. Or it might just be wax. Oh no, it's just wax. So wax aglet at the end on some black rope laces. Got this kind of like neoprene, super stretchy. Like I said, initially putting the shoe on is pretty tough. You gotta like stretch it almost with both hands so you actually get your foot in there. And I did hear that was also true going your regular size too. So I'm just saying this because I usually wear 12, preferably 13, and these are 12, so they might just be a little tight just because they're on the low end of what I usually wear in terms of sizing. So that's why it might be a little tight. But at the same time, a lot of people have said these shoes fit a little bit tight, so that's why I'm suggesting the same thing. On the inside, you got the ortholite black on black print right there on the black insole. Size tag is kind of in a weird spot on these. It's right there. So made in China. You got the little QR code as well. Nothing crazy going on. The tag looked like it was gonna fall off, but no, it's actually stuck on there real good. So yeah, that's pretty much it for these shoes. There's not too much else to cover. You got basically like a little off-white color on the midsole going down to the bottom where it translates to some blue, light blue waves. And then you see that dark blue EVA foam encased in the insole as well. Or sorry, in the sole as well. So yeah, overall, super comfy shoe. Oh, I forgot to mention as well, this, like, you can see a prime knit underneath. So that's one material or one level of it. And then you do also have this mesh that goes all throughout the shoe. This is actually, you can see my finger through it. So it is super, super breathable, especially in this area. So that's a definite plus to the shoe in general. And then this kind of like exoskeleton, alien looking thing does glow in the dark super, super hard. Like I'm talking, if you flash your light at this for literally 5 seconds, or even turn your flash on your phone and you're in the dark, you flash it for like 2 seconds, it starts glowing immediately and it holds the glow really well. So super dope. You can find pictures of that online. I just did test it out myself in the other room. So dope how that was made. So yeah, that's the left shoe. Of course the right shoe is not going to be any different, but here's a look at that as well. I'm sorry for sounding really stuffed up. I know I do. I'm just hoping I don't actually get sick because there's a lot of people in my life right now. For example, my girlfriend and my roommate that are both pretty sick. So hoping I don't catch what they have. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The Yeezy 700 V3 Azael. Let me know your guys' thoughts on this shoe in the comment section down below. Of course, as always, pretty polarizing shoe. A lot of people love it, a lot of people hate it. I'm usually one to kind of rock just my favorite shoe of all time is Air Forces, lows to be specific, whites to be specific. So that's most of the time what I'm wearing. I'm definitely gonna wear this shoe. As to how long I'm gonna wear it, that's up in the air. Kind of depends on comfort, and of course I usually don't wear like sweats and stuff, and I feel like that's what a lot of people are pairing this shoe with, like sweats and kind of like jogging attire, like cozy attire obviously. So I usually just wear black jeans, so we'll see how these fit with that. Should be pretty well. I mean, it does pop out for sure, but there's nothing crazy on this shoe. Kind of just looks like a really dope shoe in my opinion. So anyways, with all that being said, guys, this is my first review for this site. Decided to cop a pair from them and see how they are. So there's all the information again. If you can't read any of that, because I know some people can't read my writing, it is in the description minus the website itself, but you guys can, it's PoshKicks.com. I don't condone any of this stuff. I'm just showing you guys what I got with my money. So do what you want with yours. Check the site out if you want. Check their Instagram out if you want. With all that being said, stay blessed, guys. And I'm sorry for the lack of uploads. I just haven't been getting much lately. but it is starting to ramp up. There will be that break. I believe they like China shoe manufacturers usually take around this time of year, so it might still be a little slow for a minute, but just keep showing love. More videos will be pumped out. Hoping for my channel not to be taken down anytime soon, because I don't have the time of day to like restart another channel, even though I will if I have to. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section down below. With all that being said, catch you on the next video. Peace.